In this video, we will take a look at setting up a Wi-Fi connection for your scan and cut machine. When setting up a Wi-Fi connection, you will need an active Wi-Fi network, the name of the Wi-Fi network, that's its SSID, the Wi-Fi network password, your scan and cut machine number, and I'll show you where to find that, and access to Canvas Workspace during the setup, as we will need to register our machine and get a unique PIN code. Now, just to mention, in this video I may reference the online area as Scan and Cut Canvas, however this has been renamed Canvas Workspace. This doesn't change any of the actions in this video, it's simply a new website address. Begin by turning your machine on, and when you see the animated home screen, click Home and then OK. Now go into Settings and scroll down until you see Network. Tap the Tools icon, and now we are in the Setup area for Wi-Fi connections. We'll start by turning this on. Then, to make things super simple, we will use the Setup Wizard. This is now searching for the available Wi-Fi networks in the area. It may find quite a number depending on what's going on in your area, however you should be able to find your Wi-Fi network on there. Select it and tap OK, and now enter the network key or password for that Wi-Fi network. I'm going to enter mine here. And please forgive the pixelation, however I didn't want to give too much away about my home Wi-Fi network. And also it's quite a long password. When you tap OK, select Yes. Your scan and cut machine will now try to connect to the Wi-Fi network that you've selected. When you receive this confirmation message, tap on Next. Now you will be asked to connect the machine to your online account. Tap Next and make a note of your machine number, which is listed at the bottom of the screen. Now head over to canvasworkspace.brother.com, log in, then go to your account. Scroll down the screen until you see Scan and Cut Online and click Get PIN Code. Now type in your machine number. Again, apologies for the pixelation, didn't want to give too much away here. And click Next. You'll be now given a 4-digit PIN code. Make a note of this and go back to your machine, tap OK, and then enter that 4-digit PIN code and tap OK. You should then get a confirmation message that your account has been linked, and you will then be able to see it named in your machine settings. When you now start working with the machine, you'll see the Wi-Fi connection symbol and also the Wi-Fi symbol for retrieving designs.